The EASYSO Rolling Garment Bag ESG-101 in pink is a versatile travel companion, combining the functionality of a clothing bag, luggage bag, and rolling garment bag into one convenient piece. Featuring a detachable trolley, this garment bag offers flexibility by allowing you to roll it smoothly or carry it manually, making it ideal for various travel occasions. With dimensions of 21.6 by 12.6 by 11 inches, this carry-on garment bag is designed to meet most airlines' requirements, fitting perfectly in overhead compartments when the roller base is removed. The bag's spacious main compartment is thoughtfully designed with multiple inner pockets for organizing clothes and daily necessities, while a side pocket separates shoes from clean garments. Constructed from tear-resistant and waterproof nylon fabric, the EASYSO bag ensures durability and style, with a fully enclosed zipper providing enhanced safety for your belongings. This bag's user-friendly design includes a front pocket for small items and easy access through a side opening, making it a reliable choice for both business and leisure travel.